Alright guys, so if you guys have been following the channels, I've been sick for the last couple of weeks, and I finally got a little bit better. And what we're looking at here today is this Rollplay Flex cart from Walmart. And I believe the one time they had it for $89 and it went down to $79, $69, and I think the last price that I saw on there was $59. And so I bought it.
Hi.
And so today
That scooter is so small.
it's actually going to be for Alina. Okay, Alina, how do you like the
Why is there a seat on the scooter?
your scooter? How do you like it? Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do the we're gonna take a look at this. It says here it's folds and it expands in one step for battery powered adventure. Just press and go with easy push start button. Safe speeds for beginner drivers up to 2 miles per hour. So it is a 6-volt. Okay. So around the box, just got delivered today by FedEx. There's a couple days delay on it, but other than that, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do the unbox so you guys can see what's actually inside of this. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna do from the bottom. So, inside the big box, there's a little box, and it seemed like it's just an empty box. But just to be safe, we're not missing anything. We open everything. You know what? That's not even the right side to open. This box literally has nothing inside of it. Empty box. Okay, I guess they use that as a cushion or something. But, so here we are. Cut this open. So, what you see here, let me go over this. This looks like the seat. So let's open it up. Yep, that's the seat. And it has the power cable. I think this is to charge it. And the instructions, the manual, all the good stuff. And here is the power steering, say. And here. Untape it. Flip it upside down. Okay, so take this plastic thing out. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. So this is what we have. Okay, so okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna try to put it together for you guys. Okay, so where are all the screws? They gotta have screws, right? Okay, it goes there. But where are the screws? Literally, there are no screws. We have this here. Are you kidding me? That's only 2 screws. The 2 long ones like this one. That's all they provided. That's all they provided with the 2 screws like that. Oh. Oh no. Okay, so I guess this is maybe only 2 screws needed, so we're gonna find out. Like, flip it down and I need a screwdriver. I need the other one. So this one, it does have a screws already in it. You just need to loosen it. And just need to plug this in. Plug the wire accordingly You can't really miss it. So here, you just need to connect this piece here along with the over here, and it should be fine. Should only be one way going in. Okay, once you hear that clicks, just make sure. So here, make sure that it goes through it. And then we should go through all the way. So we just need to put this nut inside there. Okay, just press it all the way in and just screw it in. Okay, that's tight enough. Let's see, what's the rest? So I guess now we just need to expand this, I guess, or so. Let's see. Do I move this up? So let's see. How do you open it? You must charge the battery for at least 24 hours before use. Okay. A bunch of safety hazards. Most of this already installed for us. The battery, I think it's already in there. 16 is a charger. Okay, you must charge a battery for use. Ensure. Let's see, what is this about? Okay, so in here we gotta plug it in. Okay, so it's plugged in. So now it's plugged in. Just need to close it. So to charge the battery. Okay, so how do you charge it? Okay, steering column. Click. Push button. How do you get that out? Okay, so to charge the battery, you gotta unplug the two orange wire. They call it A and B, and then you charge this into the adapter provided, and then you're gonna charge it. Okay, to me, I think it's to charge it is very inconvenient for them to do such a thing, because once after we're done charging, we gotta disconnect this cable here from here, and then we're connected to there, which is very, very, very inconvenient. Whoever came up with the idea is really stupid. Okay, but now I'm gonna plug it in and wait until when it's fully charged, and I'm gonna take it out to have my daughter test ride it, see if she likes it.